Hello, good morning. Today we will see your 11th C program. So array means how we can display the array functions. See here. So your program number 11 is write a C program to insert elements in array and display. Array means what? The definition of array means it is a homogeneous collection of data. Means in that we can collect the number of data. See here, a of 5. A of 5 means the value of a is there are any 5 values, means any 5 numbers, that is called as a array. Means it is a homogeneous collection of data. See here we will see hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h. Write down these two header files. Void main, the execution of C program start from the main function. Int is the data type, and n, I, a of 50, these are the variables. See here n, I, this is one of the variable, and a of 50 is array. See here declaration of array is like this. A of 50 means the value of a of 50, means you can take the value of, means there are 50 values, means any 50 numbers, that is the size of array. This is a is array and this is the size of array, means we can take here 50 values. If you take 51 values, it will not accept, because you have declared here size of array is 50, so it will accept only 50 numbers. So this is the size of array, means whatever number you are using in your program. If you want to use 10 numbers, 20 numbers, so write down that much size of array. It is called as a homogeneous collection of data. I want here 50 data, so a of 50. If you want 10, so a of 10, like this. If you used more number, if you declared here more number, and if you used small number, it's okay, that will execute. But if you have if you entered here small number, means if you declared here size of array is small, and if you used more numbers then the size. See here for example, if you entered here a of 5, or if you have used the 10 numbers in your program, so it will overload the program. Means if you you have given the extra numbers, so that it will not accept. So this so use more, declare the more number, but if you use the small numbers, it's okay, it will accept. But if you enter the size is small, if you enter the number of a is more than this size, this type of this it will not accept. So okay, this is called as a array. This like this we will display means we will display the array, declare the array. We can write down the array size like this, a of 50, means this is the size of array, 50 is the size of array, and a of 50. This is the format to write down array. Okay, CLR SCR function, clear the output screen. Printf function, this is the output, formatted output function to display the message on monitor screen. Enter the size of an array, means what size you want. See here I have declared more number of size here. If you want you can use the less number of this, but you cannot use the more than this. Okay, within only 50 values you can use here. More than 50 if you used this, it will not accept, it will not display, your program will not work, so it's overload. Okay, if you use the small numbers, it's okay. Enter the size of an array, means how many numbers you want, that size of an array you can declare here. Then scanf %d %n, whatever size you will enter on keyboard, that size it will accept. %d n. Printf, enter the array elements, means which array elements. If you entered here size, if you entered here 5, which 5 values you require, that 5 values you can enter here, that enter the array elements, means what elements you want you can enter here. See, for I equals to 1, I is less than or equals to n, I plus plus, means initially the value of I is declared 1, this is a condition I, this is initialization, condition and updation. In looping statement these three things required, means initialization, condition and updation is required in looping statements. Means if you are using for loop, while loop or do while loop, these three things is required in looping conditions. Okay, see, this is for loop is one of the looping condition, looping statements. So initialize the value of I first, then write down the condition. So I is less than or equals to n, this is a condition. And updation means the value of I you have declared initially 1. After checking the condition, if this condition is true, the value of I is incremented by 1, and again this loop is executed. This, so loop means again and again these conditions are executed up to this up to the condition becomes false. If this condition is false, it comes out of the loop and further part it will execute. This loop is executed again and again up to the condition becomes false. If this condition, see, this will execute. If this condition is true, I value is incremented by 1 and scan a %d and a of I. This loop is executed. Again this cursor comes here, again this condition will check. If this condition is true, again this loop will execute. This like this again and again this loop is executed up to the condition becomes false. If the condition is false, this part is kept, it comes out of the loop and further part it will execute it. This is known as the looping statements. Loop means that but this is a loop, it will execute again and again. That is called as a looping condition, looping statements. Then printf, see, this condition becomes false, then it comes out of the loop and it will execute the further part. Printf, the array elements are, means whatever array elements you have entered, that it will displayed on monitor screen. For I equals to 1, I is less than or equals to n, I plus plus. Printf %d and a of I, means whatever size of array you have declared, that array size elements are array size elements will displayed on monitor screen. Get ch and close the program. See, this is the output of your program. Enter the size of an array. This type of message it will displayed on monitor screen. Enter the size of an array means how many value you required. I want to display the 5 values, so I have declared here 5. If you want 10, so declare 10 here. 5, so enter the array elements. I have declared the size of an array is 5, so you can enter only 5 values, any values, but only 5 numbers. If you entered 6th number, that 6th number computer will not accept. It will accept only 5 values because you have declared the size of an array is 5 only. Okay, so 5, enter the array elements. I have used array size is 5, so enter any 5 values. I have entered here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 array elements. These are the 5 values. It will computer will accept, and the array elements are whatever array elements you have given to the computer, means entered on keyboard, that it will displayed on monitor screen again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The array elements are this. I have entered this and it will display again. These are the array elements you have entered. This is your 11th C program, array program. Enter an array size. We'll see how to execute that. Open the C program. See here, this type of error you are facing. So go to the file and open. I want to open here P11. This is your 11th program, so I have given name is P11. Open that program. See here, if you want to maximize the screen, click here. If you want to maximize the window, means bigger screen, so on keyboard just hold the alt key and press the enter key. Alt, enter. See, your screen will maximize. Then this is your 11th C program, array elements. So I have typed already because it's getting more time for typing. So already I typed and saved all C program in file using this P11 name. This is your P program number 11. So compile this program using Alt+C key. See, there are no warnings, no errors. So just press any key, Alt R, run your program. See, enter the size of an array. So I want here size is 10. If you want 10, you can enter 10. And enter the array elements, means which 10 values you want. Any 10 values you can enter on keyboard. I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These 10 value I want. So enter that 10 value. See, the enter array elements. See here, I have entered this 10, 1 to 10 elements, and the array elements are, means whatever elements you have entered on keyboard, that elements are saved in some particular location, and when your program is executing, after stop the execution, it will display on monitor screen. Means the array elements are 1 to 10. I have entered here 10 values, so that 10 values is displayed on monitor screen. This is the output of your 11th C program, array elements. How to display the array elements on computer. Okay. See, if you want to run, once again run this. If you want only 4 values, array size is 4. I want only 4 values. Just press 4. I want 100, 200, 300, 400. I want to display this 4 value. Just press enter key. See here, the array elements are 100, 200, 300, 400. These are 4 values I want to display on monitor screen. So these values are displayed. If you want any size, means 10, 40, but with less than 50, if you entered, if you declared the array size initially here, see here, initially if you declared here 50 size, so you can use only 50. If you used more than 50, that values are not displayed, means computer will not accept, because you have declared initially here array size is 50. So use only array size is 50 only. If you use the array size is 51, it will not accept the 51 numbers. So this is called as a array program. Array means the collection of homogeneous collection of data. Means whatever array size you have declared, that type that array size values, any values you can enter on keyboard. Again, whatever input you have given to the computer, that input it will, means that computer can process that, and that numbers will display on monitor screen. This is your 11th C program, array elements. So we will see your 12th C program, addition of 2 matrices. So matrix means what and how we can add 2 matrix. So we will see in next video. If you want to quit, so quit it. Okay, your 12th C program is addition of 2 matrix. Matrix means what and how we can add 2 matrix. So we will see in next video.